Are you trying to get pregnant and looking for natural methods to support implantation? Well, look no further. In this video, we're going to discuss 5 natural ways you can support implantation for successful pregnancy. Implantation is the phase that follows fertilization, when the embryo descends from the fallopian tubes and nestles itself into the uterine lining, where it will develop over the next 9 months. But before we can fully comprehend this topic, we first need to understand the entire fertility cycle and how each step facilitates the ultimate event of implantation. The fertility cycle starts with the shedding of the uterine lining during menstruation. Typically, this is from day 1 to 5 of the cycle. This happens when progesterone decreases and the body discards the old lining, while also simultaneously preparing a new lining at the same time for the next cycle. After menstruation, we enter the follicular phase. This is where estrogen stimulates the growth of the uterine lining and the maturation of the follicles in preparation for ovulation. This is a crucial phase in preparation for implantation. After ovulation, progesterone levels rise and the uterine lining is being maintained by those progesterone levels awaiting the arrival of the embryo. To ensure that this phase is successful, it should last at least 12 days or more. If it's less than 12 days, I recommend that you watch my luteal phase defect video where I discuss why this may be occurring and how you can address it naturally. The luteal phase is when implantation occurs, and promoting a calm and receptive uterus with healthy progesterone levels is going to be essential during this time. Healthy progesterone levels prevent miscarriage and support a healthy luteal phase. If you're experiencing low progesterone levels, I have a video you can refer to for more information. Progesterone levels can be boosted through nutrition, diet, certain herbs, and creams. Another way to support yourself is to ensure a calm and healthy uterus. Herbs are fantastic for this. I have a formulation called UteriCalm that supports implantation by soothing the nervous system and tonifying the uterine tissues. If you're preparing for IVF or frozen transfer, or you've been told your uterine lining is thin, or you suspect a problem with implantation, you can take steps to support successful implantation throughout the month. And I'm going to share some of those lifestyle changes with you so you can do just that. Let's dive into these actionable steps that you can take to support successful implantation. These are all within your control and can be easily implemented as simple lifestyle changes. So first, you need to understand and support your fertility cycle in its entirety. It's crucial to understand each phase of your cycle. This allows you to identify any potential areas that might need improvement. So for instance, if you're experiencing a heavy period or if your menstrual blood is dark and clotty, it could be beneficial for you to take steps to foster a healthier period. This can be achieved through doing fertility cleansing and other practices which aid in ensuring that the uterine lining is fresh and as healthy as can be. The fertility cleanse kit is a perfect place to start for this. Another step you can take to support implantation would be to enhance healthy circulation to the uterus during the follicular phase. This is the phase that typically spans for the first 2 weeks of your cycle. During this time when your uterine lining is growing and your follicles are maturing, you can help to promote healthy circulation using different self-care therapies. 2 effective self-care therapies that I like to use to help to support this are womb care therapeutic castor oil packs and self-fertility massage. I'll include a link below for these methods so that you have a better understanding of their application and benefits for your fertility journey. The third step in supporting successful implantation and helping to maintain a healthy fertility journey is to adapt a nutrient-rich diet that supports uterine lining health and egg health. This diet should be abundant in whole foods. The food that you consume becomes the raw material for your body to perform the functions that it needs. If you want your body to build healthy uterine lining, you need to supply it with the necessary vitamins and minerals and compounds that it needs. It's really important to remember that your body relies on you to supply it with the best nutrition that you can. For a better understanding of the nutritional aspects related to fertility, go ahead and check out the links below. These resources will guide you to a deeper understanding of the connection between diet and reproductive health. The fourth step you can take is to incorporate the power of self-acupressure and therapeutic essential oils to support your overall fertility cycle and your fertility cycle patterns. I've developed a self-care therapy known as Drop Cycle Method, and it's designed to assist you through each of your fertility phases of your cycle. This method includes a self-acupressure protocol and essential oil blend for each phase: menstruation, follicular phase, and luteal phase. Each of these protocols and blends are specifically designed to aid implantation, reduce inflammation, and promote regular daily cleansing. This approach supports the overall health of your fertility cycle and is intended to be used during the different parts of your cycle. For the luteal phase, there's an essential oil blend called Calm Womb, which helps to promote a calm womb, calm uterus, helping to promote implantation. Lastly, it's crucial to incorporate herbs and not only calm the uterus, but also to help tonify the uterine tissues, supporting overall uterine health and implantation. I have a product that I've formulated called UteriCalm, which is formulated with specific herbs that benefit the uterus as well as calms the nervous system. The benefit of this formula is its versatility. It can be utilized with your doctor's approval during IVF and IUI procedures and even during the early stages of pregnancy. An added benefit of this formula is its calming effect on the nervous system, which is a much needed benefit during this phase of your cycle. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a like if you found it helpful, and if you want to learn more about ways to support yourself naturally for pregnancy and fertility, go ahead and follow. I'll talk to you again soon.